How you doing, everybody? This is Murad, and today I will show you the interface of Adobe Premiere. Everything related to the application, you're gonna see it in this video. This is the interface of the application. In this area, you can import your material. In this area, you can put the timeline, and this you're gonna play with the effect control and keyframes and all of the things. And this the preview of what are you already did. Here, you can import your media. So starting with the first thing called the project writable, which means when you press on this, that means your project is closed. If anyone open it with this is red, he cannot do anything. He cannot use anything in your footage. So let's say if you have a timeline here and you cut here and there, that's your project now, and I close it, that means the project is just for preview. You will not be able to edit anything. See, if you just try to move this, it will not move. Here, it will not move with you. So you close your project from here, okay? That one, list view, show you how is your material gonna be look like. If you press here, you can make it in that way or in that way, and here more bigger, and here you can control how big it is. And regarding this one, I have to import one more footage. It's sort icons, show you how you arrange your footage regarding name, media type, like if it's .mp4, .mov, you need everything .mp3 together, you need everything related to .mp4 together. So all the things. Usually I like to make everything by name. So when you do it by names, you see like you start to film with this first or this second, especially if you the videographer who filmed the footage. Regarding this icon, you can't press on it without choosing the clip. You have to press to choose clip and press on this icon. When you press on it, it will show you many stuff regarding to properties of this clip, like how many frames per second, if you wanna use the audio transition or not. Usually you didn't use it, so just to let you know, this to search if you have a lot of footage, so to help you search. This one, do a new folder. Regarding this one, it's a new item, new sequence, shortcut, offline, adjustment layer, universal counting leader, bars and tone, black video, color mate, transparent video. I will start with the sequence. Sequence, usually you can keep it as it is because you can change it when you export, and that's another thing. Project shortcut, if you wanna open another project in the same time, like there is some people open 2 or 3 projects. This for anyone working on news stuff, he export many videos in one time. Offline file, usually you use this if you expert and you wanna do something at the end, like okay, you wanna put something in this space in the video, and by the end you're gonna change this by something else, but you don't have it now. So you put offline file to make you remember after you finish that you need to use this area. You wanna change it with something else. Universal counting leader. When you saw this, you're gonna remember it. Let's say I'm gonna do this. Red, white, okay. This black, the other one black. Okay, let's put those aside and put that guy here. It show you counting.
There you go.
Okay, if you wanna change this, you can go to effect control and change the speed and the scale, make it smaller. You can change the speed and you can change the opacity or do crop or all of this. Okay, if you want to do adjustment layer, it's important, or you want to apply colors things but not on one clip, you want to apply it for many clips together. So you don't need to make it here and there. You will put it in the adjustment layer, and you can just take the adjustment layer in all your timeline or in 2 clips. I will do color for this, so I will take the Lumetri color, and I will make it auto. So when you take this color, I will take it and I will put it at the adjustment layer. So let's say that's a different clip. I just want to make you feel the difference, so I will do this. So feel the difference here. Okay, but what if I take this? Okay, that's with the adjustment layer and without. So the adjustment layer is anything you want to add it to the video, but you don't need to add it to your clip. You're gonna add it to this adjustment layer to apply it for anything under the adjustment layer. The black video is for if you wanna put some black on the timeline. Usually you can do it like this. If you that's black. This one, if you put it here, you see, make your screen black. With this one, you're gonna delete anything you wanna delete it. Let's say if I need to delete the black video, I can take it and put it at the delete. Let's go to those tools because it's important. The first one is selection. Selection, which is you can select anything with it. If you choose the selection, it will make you able to choose anything in the timeline. How about that one? Track select forward or track select backward. If you choose it or choose A, which is the shortcut for it, when you choose it, you're gonna choose the clip that you press on it and anything after the clip, anything in the timeline. How about the opposite? If you press along and you get forward, so if you choose this, I'm gonna choose the same this clip and anything the backward of the timeline. How about that one? Repel edit. It's gonna repel any empty space between the clips. So when you go here and press on that, it will show you any empty space. How about that one? That's the magic, the razor tool, which is when you use it, you can cut anything in the timeline. Now I will show you how to use the slip tool. The slip tool is, let's say, I'm gonna cut this video here. I need to use this video in just 2 seconds. But the action that here, I have to change the action. So when I go to the slide tool, you have 2 ways. You can open the clip again and like come from here and choose your N with I and your out with O and take it and put it here. Okay, but that's too many steps. You can, when you just use the slip tool and do it like this, it will show you smoothly. Okay, so now it will be like this. Okay, you need it more. You need it from here. So okay. That's it. So basically the slip tool is you can change anything inside the clip without moving the clip. Let's start with the pen tool. The pen tool is when you choose it and go to the screen, you can do a custom shape. Regarding this one, you can do shapes, the Premiere choose it for you. For sure, when you go to this shape and you open it, you can change the color. And regarding this one, the hand tool is gonna show you the timeline, make you preview the timeline like this. So you can change between the timeline without press on any layer, you see. And the last one is the type tool. When you choose it, you can write like test episode 1. Can open here and change the color, maybe make it red, change the font, make it this. It look like the word. You can make it bigger from here. Let's make it wide to see. So that's all the tools. That's it for today. If you watch this, you're not beginner anymore. You have all the tools related to Adobe Premiere. You know it now. You can just start to open your project and practice. And if you need anything more specific, you can comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe. Thank you.